The National Disability Insurance Scheme, NDIS, is a once-in-a-generation social and economic reform that will empower people with disability to choose and achieve their goals in inclusive communities and workplaces. So, how does the NDIS work? How is it different to the previous system, and why should you register as an NDIS provider? This overview explains how to use Section 1 of the Provider Toolkit, including what is the NDIS, who people with disability will interact with through the NDIS, their roles and the role of registered providers, what supports and services are funded, and importantly, what will not be funded, and what role providers have in supporting participants on different plan types. By registering as an NDIS provider, you'll have the opportunity to provide supports to all participants, regardless of the type of plan they have. You'll also get access to tools and support and be a part of a once-in-a-generation social and economic reform. There are some acronyms and terms you might not know, such as LACs, ECEIs and SDAs, but don't be put off. They are easy to understand when you read the descriptions. There's a glossary in the Key Resources section of the website to refer to if you find a new term you're not sure about. The NDIS involves a lot of changes, both for providers and people with disability. All this new information may seem complicated at first, but the changes will benefit people with disability, disability service providers, and the wider community. And we're here to help make the transition as easy as possible. Encourage your colleagues or others who work with people with disability to watch these Provider Toolkit videos to learn more about how the NDIS works. At the end of the day, it's about providing the supports that people with disability need to achieve their goals and participate in the community and workplaces to live an ordinary life. Remember that you can refer to the Key Resources and Help and Support sections for more information at any time. Wherever you are in the provider pathway, we hope this toolkit helps you understand the NDIS better and what you have to do to make it a success.